Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video I will describe about a driver sleep detection system by using Python and this webcam. And by using this webcam we can monitoring the position of driver, and when driver will try to sleep, at that moment this buzzer will make a high sound that will helps driver to break the sleep, and at that moment this GSM module will send a message to our nearest police station. By using this SMS link, police will get the location of driver. If there have any accident occurred, at that moment police can detect or locate the driver easily. So let's check the full operation of our project first. Now we will start our system. You see here that our system is running now, and our GSM module and GPS module also blinking here. Now we will check our webcam and our driver sleep detection system. So we need to open our Python application and we need to run this module. After sometimes it will open a camera that will connected with this webcam. It will take some while. At that moment it will get a camera video. So you see here that a camera video is running here, and I can check this system by store this camera here. So you see here that it's focusing me. So is it clear or not? Clear. Okay. So you see here that when it will detect that I am sleeping, at that moment it will make sound by using this buzzer, and when it's detect the sleep mode or drowsiness, so I try to close my eye. So it's sleeping time, that's why buzzer makes sound and it will send a notification or SMS to our smartphone. So just wait, we get the SMS. So we get some message for our every error. We get a single message, and this message will included the Google Map location. And if we press on this link, at that moment it will open our Google Map and it will show the Google Map location, or it will be the driver position where driver is present now. So you see here that it's located at Bangladesh and it's near Dhaka, and if we zoom it more, at that moment we will get the exact location that it's near Gaptoli. So this is the driver location. By using this system, police can detect the exact location of any person. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.